Hi guys. Please, I accidentally deleted the video now. We have to restart. But anyways, I spawned a zombie and JC needs to kill it. Now go there. Now go. Bro, shut up! Bro, can you just shut up? I'm trying to go in my thinking room. You can't see me in my thinking room. I can't find the leader. Where is it? Found it. Ah! What? Wait. I'm so stupid. You just want to get. You just want to get creative, don't you? There we go. No one can know my misbehavior. Stop. We all know what's my favorite. Yeah. What about your my sunshine? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy.
Pinapunta sila dito. Kapag pinapunta sila dito.
Let me see your skin. What?
Pinapunta sila dito. Kita ko pupunta sila dito. Kasi napunta dyan ang ano.
Shut up! You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. You are my... Bro got slaughtered again. No. No. Oh. Check that. You made that? Is that here? JC! Catch! Don't you dare break. I'm gonna destroy you if you break it. This may help you. You have to put them on the top of the fence, okay? So they can have the higher ground.
Top of the fence. You mean about the fence?
Yes. What's a blower?
Yes, you're right. How is it
Oh my god, it's an electric fan. It's an electric fan. More like a manual. I think this guy is nice. How did I freaking know that?
The army!
What do you mean army? What do you mean by army? Bro! But you still have to lure the zombies. The zombies with you. They only work in the water, look, it's a fish room. And look what this do. Look at my screen. It's like a distraction. I don't even know where to go. You make me happy. Stacy, you do know you have... Stacy. Stacy, you do know you have to kill all of these plants if you're finished killing the zombies. Yeah. Did you waste all of your plants already? Did you already waste so much? How did you waste all of your plants? Just kill them. And also, where's your knife? Blood has learned that he shooter technique. Okay, it's killing plant time. This will take a long time, so be patient because I don't know how to edit videos into a time lapse. If you remember,
I'll get the army.
if you remember my stop motion video, it's just cut.
Get the army of
It's surprising that they don't kill you if you see them. Killing these guys are pretty easy.
Okay, let me know how many these. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1.
Wait, that's an iron sword, right? Ako then, 1, 2. Look. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
1, 2. This dashboard.
Now let's go back. Daisy, as your reward for, killing all of them, just wait. I bless you with two.
I'll put it on our house.
I bless you with 2 iron nuggets. 2 stacks of iron nuggets.
I put a 1 pig on our house because of the door.
Where? little sea filter can kill everything.
I'll just stop. Oh, sorry.
What did you just do?
Sorry.
Sorry, what? Oh. You know, I can't put it up. And you need... Okay, time to go back in my thinking. You know what? Maybe not. Your head is literally inside. Why do you want tissue this on me? Now you can choose the tissue. No, shut up! You make my ears hurt. You make my ears hurt. Oh, I guess you unlocked all of them. I'm watching his screen. You know that just is magnet. Okay, you're right. You wasted all of JC.
Okay.
They're kissing. What the heck? Wait, no, they're not kissing. Okay, later. Go back. You know what? I'm gonna put you in my... Wait, no. Just get in the house. I need to do something first. At the main CCTV.
Okay, I'll
Dum. No, you're not.
watch.
No. You're not. Does this even... Okay, I'm done. Now go to the battlefield. you have your flash, don't you? Bro, you think sneaking is gonna help you out? Bro, it's 80. Wait, let me check your inventory. You have so much flash and you're not using them.
What, they're just going to die.
You know. Yeah. Just kill the zombies. They're just zombies. And they have a little baby one. Good thing they're too big. If they... Did you break your sword? Oh, but that little one can.
Oh, forgot, I can use my...
Oh, yeah. You dared yourself. You know what? Since I'm sad... Wait, am I even wearing a... Screw flying!
I'll just put one. I'll put these.
Spider! No, shut up! You actually scared me. I will help you. I will help you.
I have to use.
Be grateful. Let's go.
I'll just rock with the beat.
I killed him.
I'm using rock to beat him.
Ow. Ah! Blood mist. Though it's KCO 2.0, but it's not accurate. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Yes! JC, this plant over here just saved my own life. It saved my entire life. What are you using to fight?
Zombie play.
Brother, do you want to get some amnesia? Damn, they're so fast. Oh no. Everyone. They're throwing babies outside. They're throwing their little nasty babies. No worries. Oh, it's you. Oh my god. I just killed this guy's baby in front of him. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, hurry up, we're late.
They keep throwing their little... The pea shooter are helping. I see the pea shooter shooting. They keep throwing their babies outside. And I need food. Zombie buff? I thought they said gargantua. Bro, JC. One of our pea shooters died, but keep going, I'm coming. JC. You do know. You freaking do know that this guy only wakes up in the morning, the night time, and actually shoots in the night time. But yes, they do. They only wake up at night time. So you just basically wasted all of it.
I didn't know that.
Hey look, it's another way out.
I didn't know that. Where's their eye?
It's because they're sleeping. And help me!
The eye.
No.
How does that work?
This is the only one. They threw... Oh no. No, you're not! You're not! You're not! Ah! They have good attack tactics.
What
Now,
the head?
you wanna fight me? Break you and your little baby. I knew it! JC! Fight them, bro. You're doing nothing. I'm on my way.
I was wondering if I could beat this freaking zombie.
No, shut up, you block.
I don't. What is this offering?
JC, just shut up and kill them, man. How many times am I gonna say shut up to you, man? I'm going the other way. There is another way. Tell me why there is nothing but the heartache. You can get me. No. Where's your little stupid baby?
I killed the zombie. I killed something with they and his brother killed the beast.
Why do you keep throwing your damn son? Oh, you gonna swing me like that? Ow! You're gonna pay for that. You finally saved me.
This is the pay.
Wait, let me go there. Bro, you actually made your maze tricky. Where?
Okay. Stop.
Oh.
Oh.
Now let's go home.
Are you
And kill the freaking babies that escaped. Come here, you little.
now let's go home. I'll play this Plants vs. Zombies. I'll pause it if like
Bro, kill them. Where is it? Did they already kill it? I think the pea shooters already killed the ones that escaped. And guys, and bye. Bye guys, and let's play Minecraft modding 2 next time.